In our previous video, we explored how to deal with common issues like mold yellowing, deformation, tearing, and air bubbles. In this episode, we'll share practical tips on cleaning, preserving, maintaining, and repairing molds so you can enhance the quality of your work and extend the life of your molds. Let's get started. After each use, silicone molds can retain traces of resin, glitter, or pigment, and improper cleaning can damage their surface over time. To maintain your molds, start by removing any residual glitter with tape. For leftover color powders, lightly spray alcohol and wipe gently with a soft paper towel. If there's residual resin, sprinkle a small amount of baking soda over the surface. Rub it carefully, then wipe clean with alcohol or warm, soapy water. Pat the mold dry with a lint-free cloth to prevent water stains. For stubborn residue in small crevices, use a cotton swab dipped in alcohol for precision cleaning. Avoid abrasive cloths or corrosive liquids, such as nail polish remover, which can scratch or damage the silicone surface. A useful tip is to apply any leftover resin directly to the mold areas that need cleaning and remove it after curing, which saves material and keeps the mold in top condition. Silicone molds are flexible, which makes them great to work with, but it also means they can deform if not stored properly. To keep them in good shape, always store your molds flat, preferably on shelves with multiple layers, so they don't warp or bend. Try not to stack molds on top of each other, since that can lead to permanent deformation. Keep them out of direct sunlight too, as long as exposure can weaken the silicone, causing yellowing or make it harder faster. For the best protection, store your molds in a dust-free space. Airtight containers, sealable bags, or covered storage boxes work perfectly to keep dust and debris away, helping your resin projects come out clean and flawless every time. Proper handling is one of the most important ways to keep your silicone molds in good condition. Avoid using sharp-edged tools to remove resin pieces, since they can puncture or scratch the surface. Be gentle when bending or flexing the mold during demolding to prevent tearing. And if needed, use a little soapy water to help release your finished pieces more easily. It's also important to watch the resin's temperature. Pouring resin that's too hot can speed up mold aging and make it lose flexibility over time. With careful handling, you'll extend your mold's lifespan and keep getting consistent, high-quality results. Even with careful maintenance, silicone molds don't last forever. If you've noticed cracks, yellowing, fogginess, or loss of flexibility, it's a sign that the mold has reached the end of its life. Using a damaged mold can affect the quality of your resin pieces, so it's usually best to replace it. That said, some molds can be refreshed. For example, foggy coaster molds can often be repaired by applying a thin layer of mixed silicone liquid to the affected areas and letting it cure. This helps restore the mold's shape and surface, giving it extra life for future projects. Combined with proper cleaning and storage, careful repair can help your silicone molds keep delivering great results for as long as possible. Proper mold care isn't just about maintenance, it's an investment in your creativity. By treating your molds with care, you're setting yourself up for flawless, beautiful resin creation every time, and unlocking the full potential of your art. If this video inspired you or helped you learn something new, leave a comment and share your thoughts. We'll be picking 3 lucky winners to get one of our latest resin molds. We can't wait to see your creativity shine. See you next time.